Hey guys, welcome to the Team channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you make your video blur in Capcut. So just go to Capcut app. Here you can see a new project option. Just click on it. You can see to lead you to your gallery. Here you can pick any video or photo. Just pick a video and click on add in the bottom right. Now here you can see in the bottom options, just click on effects here. Now click on video effects, the first one. You can see various options here. Click on lens, the third one. Now in the lens, just swipe it, and here you can see blur option in the left. Click it and again click it to adjust it. Here you can see you can adjust your blur option just by swiping it like this. If you make it high, the video will be more blur. If you make it low like this, the video will be less blur. So guys, this is how can you make video blur in Capcut. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.